welcome to Science Noodles English. Okay, in today's episode, we can see about our nature. Usually, this nature forms a triangle. These triangles are formed by three factors. They are abiotic, biotic, cultural. First, you can go with biotic. Biotic are factors that are living organisms. Humans, plants, animals, unicellular, multicellular, all are biotic matters. Now, abiotic. Abiotic are the opposite, which are non-living thing. This cupboard, the wall, and all the non-living things. Now, cultural. Do you know what is cultural? Cultural is nothing, but it's human activities that affects our environment. Okay, now I understood the triangle. Now, okay, we can start with balance in nature. First, we need to know what is food web for knowing balance in nature. A food web is a web where there is a producer and there are many consumers, primary, secondary, same. These forms a food web. Okay, now I think you understood what is food web and all. Okay. This is our nature. Now, there are many and many. For this, we need to balance our nature. In food web, if the producer or the consumer get affected, the whole food web would get damaged. For example, if think grass is the producer, always producers would be the plants. That is autotrophs. I think you know what are autotrophs. If you didn't see, go and see in our before video. Nutrition. Okay, types of nutrition. Go and see that. Okay. Now, okay, grass. In the grass, if it is affected with a disease or viral infection, is that it's eaten by an animal. That animal would get infected. When this animal is eaten by a carnivore, that also would be getting infected and it would be a mess and collapse in the whole food chain. Okay, now I'll say the difference between food chain and food web. Food web is a cross section. They intersect each other. The food, the consumers, primary or consumers are intersected with each other. It forms a food web. While the other and the food chain is not intersected. Okay, I think in today's episode you understood about the nature, abiotic, biotic, cultural and many activities. Late Windows and next video is uploaded. This is Mr. Bye bye friends.